The ad performance is also dependent on the feedback which advertisers get from the users. Facebook has set multiple feedback parameters upon which ad quality is determined. If an advertiser receives a significant amount of negative feedback, Facebook may consider all ads from this advertiser as low quality. Advertisers are also suspended from running ads if their customer page feedback score drops below 1. Always keep an eye on your promoted ad post to check the negative feedback status from the customers. Hide and report ad is one parameter of judging ads quality. In order to stay out of danger, follow 4 simple steps to avoid negative customer feedback. Tip number 1. Be 100% clear about what you are offering to the customers. If customer expectation is not fulfilled as advertised in the ad, be prepared for negative feedback. Tip number 2. Set clear expectations for delivery. If the product is not delivered at the committed date or time, customers will get dissatisfied. Tip number 3. Set clear expectations for customer service. Poor customer service can lead to negative feedback. Tip number 4. Make sure you can meet customer demand. Every advertiser should understand the bid strategy before running their Facebook ads. Facebook bid strategies help you get the measurable business outcome you care about, such as increasing total sales, getting more customers, or increasing brand reach. Depending on the outcome you want from your campaign, it's important to choose a bid strategy that matches your primary KPI or how you will measure your success. Let's understand it with the help of an example. A bakery shop supplier wants to increase online sales, so they decided to use Facebook to drive purchases. That's their primary objective. If they want to focus on keeping marketing costs low, their primary KPI could be cost per purchase. If they want to focus on maximizing the purchase value of their purchases, their KPI could be return on ad spend. Whichever KPI they decide to focus on determines the bid strategy they should use. There are 3 bidding options available in Ads Manager. Number 1, spend-based bidding. Number 2, goal-based bidding. Number 3, manual bidding. In spend-based bidding, there are 2 options. One is lowest cost, second is highest value. This bid is selected when you are focused on spending your full budget and getting the most results or value possible. Now understand lowest cost bid with the help of an example. An event planner may use automated bidding to get as many people as possible to attend an upcoming music festival where cost per attendance does not matter. When you want people to make the purchase of the maximum value product, highest value bid can be selected. For example, a florist may use the highest value bid strategy to sell as many bouquets as possible while focusing on selling most expensive bouquets in order to maximize value. In goal-based bidding, there are 2 options. First is the cost cap and the other is minimum return on ad spend, that is ROAS. Cap the cost of the results you are optimizing for. For example, if you are a retailer optimizing for purchases, you may set your cost cap as the maximum cost per purchase that will keep you profitable. Target a minimum return on ad spend for each bid. For example, if you want your budget of $100 to produce at least $110 in purchases or a 110% return, you would set your ROAS control at 1.10. The third bidding strategy is manual bidding. Here you have all control how much you can bid across ad auctions. Set the maximum bid across auctions rather than allow Facebook to bid dynamically based on your cost or value goals. Bid cap is meant for advertisers who have a strong understanding of predicted conversion rates and can calculate the right bid.